I figured out the problem. Also, here's the circuit board. The problem with Mickey is that this wire was cut and these wires came off of here, I believe. I'm not that sure. This one just kind of gets me though, because I really have no clue where this one would go. But, oh no, never mind, I don't have to solder it. This was just cut, that's it. So that means that since I turn him on, he should work. So, let me give it a test run. Hope he doesn't start coming at me. Now, here's a shell. And after this part, I'm gonna go directly to his head and see what's up with that. Because I want him to work perfectly. What the frick? Come on, come on. I don't see how it's still falling. Let's try and make it show. Okay, I got nothing. This is useless. As well have to put like this then. At first I was kind of worried because at first I thought I would have to resolder that, and resoldering it would be a big of a challenge. But luckily I don't. I'm trying to put it back in its place. To try to move this down. That's fucking hard. This is like the very first, well, also in my other video, my old Youngster Mickey, where me and my dad were trying to repair it, we were never able to, but I finally know where the problem to that one is, and it's inside the leg. And all I have to do to get that one working is to do the same thing what I did to this Mickey. Okay, then if I can first get, let's see, this leg. Try that again. Yeah, I didn't try so hard to remove it. Okay, go under place. Okay, that's just bad. Really bad. See, remove. Oh, there we go. Okay, then I gotta take it out. Got that piece back in the hole. What the heck? What? Very odd. Oh. Oh. Sorry about that, Mickey. Mickey has this exacting walking neck like a robot. How awesome. There we go. So in a minute I'm gonna power him on and test it. Testing is a very important thing you always have to do to make sure it's all good. First I want to try and move his leg. This is gonna be hard now. Actually, yeah, it's gonna be kinda hard. I think his leg should move as soon as I turn him on. Trying to go back. Darn it. Okay, good. So, as far as knowing, his leg does. Yeah, turn back on. Oh, I see now. It's trying to move back. I gotta be careful now because. Okay. Ah, there we go. I'm gonna go hold his leg in place. Okay then, that was very odd. Don't know what just happened though.
Yes, and the cabin.
Okay.
Hello, Mickey Mouse.
Oh, cool. It can just go back into. Oh, man. There we go.
Natin humano lagi este.
Vete arriba. Vete con mami.
Okay.
About that people that was my sister. Since she's down here too. Oh, come on, really? She just has to cry during the middle of me making a video. Oh, jeez. This will not be uploaded into a Movie Maker because it'll take too long, so I'll just upload it in parts. Okay, there we go. I should put that. Nice, I think it's good. Now it's time for a little test.
Mrs. Mouse, it's the house! Come on! It's a dance party! Ready?
Why is it? Hey, I think I'm gonna. Ya está. Tenía un cable cortado. Well, just what my mom was that she had a cut wire.
Sí.
Look at that.
Are you ready?
Kind of didn't want backwards though. You can see, you guys can see him working, you know, which is pretty neat. Don't want him to get killed or anything. Ever since day one I got him, I kind of noticed that his wheels weren't going back, like they weren't stopping at some point. So I was kind of worried. Okay then, so I'm gonna have to go put him back together now since his repairing for the feet are done. So yeah, this has been 065. Thank you for watching and goodbye.